such a big moment. Because I'm sure, pati kayo, alam niyo naman yung importance ng loyalty. And of course, you know, having this kind of celebration for McDonald's. So, we want to know, of course, for you, what was it like working with McDonald's and being, you know, being able to work with such an iconic brand like McDonald's?
Well, yes, I have to agree with you. It is indeed a very iconic brand. So honestly, nung first shoot namin for McDonald's, aminin ko na-intimidate ako kasi hindi ko alam how they would be with us, how they would treat us, ganyan. Kasi nga, McDonald's sila eh. So parang sabi ko, shucks, kailangan, I really have to bring my A-game talaga kasi they entrusted us with the brand, ganyan-ganyan. Sobrang cool nilang lahat.
Yes.
Tapos parang tuwang-tuwa kami ng team namin. Parang, sige, kasi sa literal na McDonald's talaga kami nag-shoot. So parang, sige, just order everything. It's on the house. My gosh! Childhood dream come true ko yun! Order everything sa McDonald's. Tapos parang naalala ko pa noon, nung time na yun kasi medyo I wasn't really feeling well. So parang, ang comfort food ko talaga noon, naalala mo, di ba? Yung caramel sundae tsaka large fries. Yun talaga, favorite combination ko talaga palagi. Naalala mo? Yun. So grabe, sobrang cool nila ka-work. Sobrang babait, madali silang kausap, kumbaga parang madali nilang nakukuha yung gusto nila in terms of the shots, yung mga ganyan. So, ang bilis lang namin nag-shoot nun.
Gusto ko very specific yung combo mo, no? Caramel sundae with fries.
Yes,
anybody here, caramel sundae din? Fan nila? Fan?
Oh, see, diba?
Oh, madami. With
Heaven.
fries. Specific eh, no?
Heaven.
How about you, David? How was your whole experience working with McDonald's?
Well, I must agree na iconic naman talaga yung McDonald's. So, I'm really grateful to be part of this, along with Barbie. But syempre,
Ay, may pupulong.
may naalala lang ako.
Ay, may memories.
Yeah, may naalala lang ako. But syempre, fries.
Fries talaga.
Fries talaga. Kasi now kasi, every time na we are working, laging may french fries. Diba?
Oo, totoo yan. Mahilig ka ba talaga sa french fries ng McDo?
Yeah, with ice cream.
Ay, so same kayo.
Same lang kami. Yeah.
Oo. Chemistry, diba? May point yan.
Siya sa akin noon, nakitikim siya kasi parang first time yata yung combination ng sweet and salty. Kasi siya naman mas ma-meat, ma-chicken siya sa McDo.
Chicken nuggets talaga.
Ayan,
French fries.
Yung pala yung go-to, no? Pero yung sweet din yung
Yes.
gusto. Ay, gusto natin yun.
Dessert,
Sweet.
ano muna, kain muna ng dessert.
Oo, tama. Well balanced, right? But if you had to describe McDonald's in one word, what word would that be?
Honestly, rewarding.
Ay, tama. May point yan.
Talaga. And just recently, I wrapped up my shoot for my latest film. Yun talaga agad yung naisip ko right after. Sabi ko, Daddy, try to try ng McDo. Order ako ng Oreo Matcha McFlurry tsaka large shake fries. Barbecue. Ah, ang sarap!
Specific talaga, no?
Oo! Pinost ko yun sa IG story ko. Like, it's sarap. Gano'n. Ni-reward ko talaga yung sarili ko kasi ang sarap eh. Tsaka yung accessibility niya, yung availability niya kasi, ang dali eh. So, yun talaga isa sa mga perks ng McDonald's talaga.
Tama. Especially if you have the McDonald's app. Yun talaga.
I know. Yun nga yung maganda doon. Kasi with the McDonald's app, unlike kapag kunyari may food delivery app ka, di ba? You don't get to redeem or parang get your points. So, pag exclusive talaga sa McDonald's app, makukuha mo lahat yon with the same services, tapos alam mo bang quality, kasi syempre, McDonald's yung magde-deliver sa'yo, diba?
Oh, diba? Ganyan talaga yung sa Barbie, no? Galing! But how about you, David? What word would you use to describe McDonald's?
Comfort and love. Diba? Kasi love ko to, lalo na pag kasama siya.
Ay, sinong siya?
Ano daw?
Lalo kung kasama sino? Ay,
Siya.
May siya.
siya. Sino siya?
Siya ka na natin
Ay,
kasama.
oo. Tama yan. O, diba? May point ba yan, guys? Kaya natin to. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. May point yan. Tama.
May point.
Oo, go. Feeling ko, I feel like a lot of us have very fond memories with McDonald's, especially nung bata tayo, ever since we were children and throughout our childhood. So kayo ba, may mga childhood memories ba kayo with McDonald's?
Ako, naalala naalala ko dati, yung mga mayayaman kong kaklase nung elementary ako. Sa McDonald's sila nagbo-birthday. Tapos kahit hindi ko naman masyadong gusto yung classmate ko, dahil lang may play place, sumasama ako. Dahil lang makikita ko may mga mascot, tapos may play place, may playground sa loob, sumasama ako. Kahit hindi ko masyadong yung classmate ko. Yun. Tapos syempre, libre yung chicken. Pagka birthday party kasi, lagi yung yung chicken tsaka spaghetti. Ganon. Tapos may ice cream na naka-cone pa. Favorite ko yun dati ng bata ako.
I love it. Don't worry, Barbie. Magpapaparty tayo sa McDonald's for you, di ba? The McDonald's team will have a party for Barbie. Don't worry.
Thank you po.
Oh, ikaw ba, David?
Siguro yung 86236, di ba? Pagkatawag sa telephone, mag-order ka ng McDo, di ba? I would usually order chicken nuggets with barbecue. Dalawang barbecue like kong in-order. And large fries. Tsaka yung 2 pieces chicken. Kasi di ba yung crumbs ng fried chicken ng McDo, nag-stick siya sa rice. Tapos saragyan ko ng gravy, gano'n. And then, ano pa ba? Yung kiddie meals din. Growing up, di ba? Yun yung inaabangan
Happy
natin
meal,
di ba? Yeah.
Gusto ko specific. Alam mo, sanay si David mag-order. Alam niya yung number. Oo, specific talaga siya. No? So, sa telephone talaga. No? Pero ngayon, it's so much easier because we also have the app, of course, which is the McDonald's app, where they can have the My McDonald's rewards. So, with every bite, every meal, may point. Yan. So, I want to know, ano ba yung message ninyo to everybody here? Sa lahat ng fans na excited makita tayo, especially dito sa My McDonald's Rewards launch.
Ako po, at siguro another core memory with McDonald's that just happened recently, together with my friends from Barbie Natics. Nung birthday ko po, last July, nag-organize po sila ng outreach program. Doon ako nag-celebrate ng birthday ko together with McDonald's sa Child House sa Quezon City. Sila po ang nag-organize na kitang-kita mo talaga yung saya sa mga ngiti ng mga bata nung nakita nila ang McDo. Kasi very iconic talaga yung McDo eh. Alam nila pag McDo parang, masarap ang chicken dito, marap spaghetti dito, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos parang lahat sila, excited sila kumain lahat. Tapos meron pa kaming mga party hats na may McDo. Kung napanood niyo po yung sa social media, core memory po talaga yon. And I'm just so happy to be part of that memory with McDonald's and with my friends from Barbie Natics.
Yes, Barbie Natics, mag-ingay! Diba? Very demure.
Thank you guys. I love you.
Thank you so much. Yes, how about you, David? Do you have a message to everybody who showed up here today also to join us?
Thank you so much for being here. Alam natin a holiday and for you guys to spend your time here with us today and McDonald's. Maraming salamat. Sana ay galingan niyo sa trabaho and after this, kain tayo sa McDonald's.
Yes, but now, before we go actually, are you up for a little game?
Game!